What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. Not to my kitchen, but to the outside. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. I am using my phone to record this, so I'm not editing that one. So if you say I look at error in the end, it is what it is. But happy 4th, y'all. Be sure that you are practicing social distancing, wearing your gloves, minimizing your crowd. Be safe out there, don't drink and drive. I'm just chilling home. Just trying to be safe, right? But just do something I do. Now put some chicken on the grill. Now make some curry, goat, rice and peas.
You look a little dark, yes, summer, Mom. The sun.
Oh, no editing, y'all.
Uh.
I am doing some curry goat, some jerk on the grill. We're gonna barbecue too, I think. Some shrimp, sis kebab, the fish, but the fish already done already. I've eaten up the fish. Not a whole lot of stuff, but it is what it is. Happy 4th, happy 4th. Let me show you guys. What I'm doing here. So that's what's up right there. Now, come over here, so camera girl. Come over your side there. Cause y'all like hold up the thing up on the ground. Kind of up on the ground.
No, like I put my fan over the thing.
Camera girl, worse than if we do it the damn self. But anyway, I'm doing some jerk here. Somebody tell me what they say. I'll cook for my channel a jerk. Ain't that something?
Oh, it is a Jamaican dish.
I am a Jamaican, so what you expect? If I cook other stuff, I don't say me I cook other stuff. But if I cook jerk, I don't say me I cook so much jerk. But I am a Jamaican, and Jamaicans eat a lot of jerk. Jerk anything. Jerk chicken neck, jerk chicken bone, jerk chicken face, jerk. We jerk everything.
Face?
We jerk whatever we can find. That is our culture. Just like how them say Trinidadians eat a lot of. Yeah, oh, you just move up and down with something there.
Because the bugs are everywhere.
You know, if it's so close enough. Real talk. Not even me, yeah, sure.
Well, you said show the grill, Mama.
Oh. You just don't go find the thing straight. But anyway,
You burn yourself.
this is what I'm doing for the holiday. Can't do the grilling outside because of the Rona out there. So we got to do it on the. It's a shrimp sis kebab.
Yeah.
You don't have to come so close.
I'm just showing them what it looked like.
Alright, go ahead then.
Yeah. Lord, Mama,
I
Shabbat.
said, I love my camera, because I just do what I want to do, and you know, I'm not worried, say. But anyway, y'all, this is my shrimp sis kebab right here. I'm not doing nothing fancy today, but I love shrimp sis kebab, so I'm doing that. I'm going to put some sauce. I'm going to make up some sauce to put on the sis kebab later. But my chicken is looking really nice.
You know done yet?
Well, I'm going to put some sauce. I'm going to make the jerk marinade sauce. So eat the sauce with the, you know, ketchup and all of that. Just to give it some added flavor. Which I'm going to do now. But anyway, you can't put the camera upon me, you know. Lord, boy, goodie. Something I forgot you. But yeah.
You know, she don't know what she wants.
But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just tell you guys happy July 4th, Independence Day, right? Be safe out there. Be careful. And don't be drinking and driving and all that stuff. The most important thing, too, is wearing a mask. The Rona is on the rise, y'all. So just be careful out there. Alright? So, with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. I love you guys so much. I'm tired, too. I'm going to go to bed early. You're not bed early tonight. My dog will bark.
Yeah.
Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you later. That's